Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Blink Fitness membership. Okay, as you know they have a policy like 45 days or 30 days you can like cancellation period. Okay, so basically you need to provide a notice of 30 days before your next billing date. Any cancellation after that date of your you can like billing, then charges may be applied. Okay, so this is the first thing. Now if we talk about how you can cancel, basically if you go with online process, then it will definitely going to take lots of time. Okay, because when we making a research on this topic, we found that there are lots of you can like comments and lots of text is available on Reddit, and they are all saying you have to pay some fees. Okay, for cancellation, because when you use their services, when you use their membership, they have some contract also. And before you can like before 12 months before your contract is not, if if you are under contract, then you have to pay some fees. Okay, so basically what you can do, you need to visit on your nearest club. Which is your nearest club? If you use their orange membership, then you need to visit your home club. If you using their club membership, blue membership, then you can visit your any membership. Okay, any you can select any club. Okay, so what you have to do, you need to visit on their you can like your on your club, and you need to request them, and you need to provide a valid reason why you want to cancel your membership, and they will try to charge you a minimum fees, and they will cancel your membership. This is the only method. You can request them, and you can say like we can say like you have to request them very politely, and if they agree, then they will charge on your account very minimum fees, and they will cancel your membership. Or you can also pause your membership at the cost of only $5 per month for first 3 months. You can also pause your membership. So this is also an option. Then you can visit and you can tell them, and you can tell them the situation, and they will provide you solution. Okay, so basically this is the only way to get out rid of this problem. Okay, so if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.